How to remove warts using apple cider vinegar. Have you ever wondered how some products that you do not give special attention to can sometimes give you some benefits? This is the case with apple cider vinegar. It is known to give a lot of good effects. This is the reason why a lot of natural home remedies include the use of apple cider vinegar, probably because it can be used for a variety of things. This article shows you how to remove warts using apple cider vinegar. As of now, let us focus on one of the main uses of apple cider vinegar, which is to remove warts on different parts of the body. Before you become truly excited and start getting the apple cider vinegar, remember that contrary to popular belief, apple cider vinegar does not kill the virus, human papilloma virus, that is causing warts. Rather, what it does is it peels the warts from the healthy skin, and in the process of the peeling, a huge part of the virus may come with it. Warts can be very unsightly, and unlike acne wherein there are a lot of creams, toners, astringent and other beauty products that can be used to make them go away, warts do not give people a lot of options. For some people, they resort to getting treatments like cauterization, but this can cause a lot of money depending on the amount of warts that can be found on the skin. Warts is actually the second most searched skin problem on the internet, and the fact that you are reading this right now means you also would like to get rid of it the natural way. Procedure of removing warts with the use of apple cider vinegar. You may already be excited to know the exact process on how using apple cider vinegar can help in wart removal. First, you have to remember that the materials that you are going to use for the procedure would have to be used for this procedure alone. If you use it for another thing, this might cause the virus to reappear on the skin. Here are the steps that you need to take. Wash the part of the body afflicted with the warts thoroughly. You have to remember to wash your hands as well to avoid bacteria into having contact with the skin. Take 1 cup of apple cider vinegar and mix it in with water. Place apple cider vinegar on the affected area using a cotton ball. Do remember that if you can soak the body part afflicted with warts on a bowl of diluted apple cider vinegar, this is okay too. Leave on the apple cider vinegar on the affected area of the skin for about 20 minutes. Do this every day until you start to see a significant change with the warts that you have on your body. For those who would like to do soaking, this procedure may only work best for those who have warts on their hands and feet, unless of course you can stay in one position to soak a part of your body for about 20 minutes or so. If in case you do not have 20 minutes every day to do it because you are busy with work or you are always out, here is another procedure that will allow you to get rid of your warts while you are sleeping still with the use of apple cider vinegar. Again, wash the part of your body that has warts to make sure that it is clean. Wash your hands too. Use pure apple cider vinegar this time and soak a cotton ball into it. Place the cotton ball on the affected area of the skin. If you have a lot of warts that you need to remove, you may want separate cotton balls per area. Place a bandage over the cotton balls to keep the cotton balls in place. Keep the cotton balls and bandage every night. Do this every night before going to sleep so that you can see a significant change in how your warts look like. Repeat this process until you start to see that your warts are turning black. Even if your warts have already started to peel off, continue doing the wart removal on the skin with the use of cotton balls and apple cider vinegar. Even if your warts have already peeled off, continue to do this process on the areas that were once afflicted with warts. This will help ensure that the virus will not come back. Dispose the materials that you have used for the whole procedure. Do remember that with the 2 procedures that are mentioned above, the pain that people might feel can vary. For instance, there are times when people feel no pain at all, but there are also times when doing the procedure can be painful, especially for people who have a lot of warts. Stages of wart removal you need to know. While doing the procedures constantly every day or every night, you have to brace yourself for the possible stages of wart removal that you will get to experience. Here are the stages. Stage 1. The wart will start to swell because of the constant presence of apple cider vinegar. The swelling may come with a bit of throbbing that will surely be felt by the body. Do remember that if you do not feel this stage, consider yourself lucky, because this means that you are going to experience the removal of warts pain-free. Stage 2. The wart will start to look different. You might see that it is already turning into black. If you have several warts in some areas, you might see that some have already blackened while others still have their natural color, because the removal of warts may vary. Stage 3. The wart will start to flake off. At this point, you may be tempted to try to remove the warts on your own, but do remember that if you try to take it out when it is not yet ready to be taken out yet, some parts of the warts can still be left behind. This will again grow into a full-grown wart that you would yet again have to remove. Removing genital warts possible? For some people, they feel that genital warts usually caused by sexually transmitted diseases can also be removed by doing the 2 procedures that are mentioned above, but you are highly discouraged from doing this because genital warts are different in nature. Genital warts may not be removed by using home remedies such as apple cider vinegar. If in case it is genital warts that you would like to be removed from your body, consult your doctor about it to gain insight. The acidic nature of apple cider vinegar has made it possible for the skin to peel and the virus together with the warts become removed in the process. If you do not remember how it feels like to be wart-free, now is the time when you should start seeing the difference. After you do the procedures of removing warts using apple cider vinegar, you do not have to worry about warts anymore.